Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make this very beautiful pencil holder. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started. For this project you'll need 6 square sheets of A4 size paper, 6 rectangular pieces of paper. They measure approximately 5 centimeters by 9 centimeters. You also need a chart paper. You can also use cardstock, cardboard, or whatever other hard paper you have. You'll also need a hot glue gun. For now I am using a hot glue gun, but you can also use Fevicol if you don't have one. And I'm using it because it gives a stronger bond. So that's it. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, take your square sheet of paper, then fold it in half, then again fold each of them in halves, like this. Then what you're gonna do is turn the paper 90 degrees and repeat the same thing. Fold it in half and then in half once again. So basically by doing this we have now got 16 parts. Then what you're gonna do is fold the corners like this. The edges should touch the creases. Next what you're gonna do is fold your paper like this. Yeah. Next, fold it once again. Yeah. Now look at this step carefully. Slowly put your paper together like this. Yeah. So look, we have one section of the pencil holder. Then what you can do is take a colorful piece of paper and put it inside of it. This is optional. If you want, you can also leave it like this. Like this. Yeah. So guys, one unit is done. Do the same thing for all the other papers. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. Look. Yeah. So next what you're gonna do is take your hot glue gun or Fevicol and start gluing them. Yeah. Glue them all up together. I'm using hot glue for now because this is just gonna make it a bit stronger and long lasting. Yeah. Next, you'll glue it once again. Like this. You have to make sure that these sides are on the outside. Now we'll have to glue the last one. Just glue it in. Make sure it goes all the way in. Look guys, you have already got the basic shape of your pencil holder. Now we'll have to make the base. So for the base, take your chart paper or cardstock and just put the hot glue on the underside. Okay, these are basically the sounds of hot glue air bubbles popping. Yeah, you have to glue all the parts to make sure it is secure enough. Because if it's not secure enough, it might open up. Yeah. After gluing it, gently press it. You have to be gentle, make sure it doesn't break. Yeah. So look, after that, you actually need your scissors. Sorry, I forgot to mention it in the first part. Just cut it along the line. Yeah, like this. So as you guys have seen it, this tutorial was very easy altogether, and it was probably the most fun tutorial I made. Yeah. So here you go, you have your very own pencil holder. You can use that for keeping pencils. Yeah, I'm gonna use my pencils for now. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.